Oh, do.
How he's doing?
He's doing good. Look at, we're giving him a shampoo, Daphne. And we're washing behind his ears. Look.
Wow.
Don't get it in his eyes.
Get a tiny bit of soap. Just a tiny, tiny bit.
What do you think, Daphne?
Little drop.
Do you cry in your bath?
No.
Whoop, whoop, whoop,
Sounds a little stuffy. Whoops, he's peeing on you.
Did you see that?
Yay! We got that on video.
It's over. It's over.
Whee!
Did you see that? Oh,
Oh, it's all over.
We made the bath into a shower.
It's nice.